Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will discuss principle of virtual work applied for beams. Today's problem is a simply supported beam with a couple and a point load. So here is a beam AD of length L, and at point B there is a point load W is acting vertically downwards, and at point C there is a couple M is acting in the clockwise direction. So the distance between A and B is A, and the distance between A and C is A plus B. So in this problem we need to find reaction at A or A and reaction at D or D using principle of virtual work. Let us see in the coming slides how to solve this problem. To find reaction at D or D, let us give a virtual displacement of delta D at D. So the beam will assume this position A, B prime, C prime and D prime. So here we have triangles A, B, B prime, A, C, C prime and A, D, D prime. So from these triangles we can write delta B by A equal to delta D by L. So from this we can write delta B in terms of delta D as delta B equal to A by L into delta D. So in this triangle, since this angle is very small, we can write angle theta equal to delta D by total length L. So that is written here, theta equal to delta D by L. Now let us write virtual work equation. So the equation is RA into delta A minus W into delta B minus M into theta plus RD into delta D equal to 0. So in this equation delta A equal to 0 and delta B equal to A by L into delta D that we have seen in the previous slide. So theta also we have seen previously, that is theta equal to delta D by L. So after substituting these values in the above equation and simplifying, ultimately we get reaction at D RD equal to WA by L plus M by L. Similarly, to find reaction at A RA, let us give a virtual displacement of delta A at A. So the beam will assume this position D, C prime, B prime and A prime. So here we have triangles D, C, C prime, D, B, B prime and D, A, A prime. So from these triangles we can write delta B by L minus A equal to delta A by L. So this equation delta B in terms of delta A can be written as delta B equal to L minus A by L into delta A. Similarly, this angle theta is very small, so angle theta can be written as theta equal to delta A by total length L. Now let us write virtual work equation. So the equation is RA into delta A minus W into delta B plus M into theta plus RD into delta D equal to 0. So in this equation delta D equal to 0 and theta equal to delta A by L and delta B equal to L minus A by L into delta A. So after substituting these values in the above equation and simplifying, we get ultimately reaction at A RA equal to L minus A by L into W minus M by L. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.